Hi guys, welcome back to second auto translator app. In this video, we gonna initialize our spinner where user can select multiple language. So first of all, let's define a variable for destination language. And here by default, we can pass English. Okay. Now let's make a function called init spinner to initialize the spinner. So first of all, we have to create a list. Lang list, we can call this name. Type will be string. Now here what we will do, we will take this lang list and add languages one by one, like English, I will give you the whole language list from the description. You can copy, like Hindi, Spanish. Later as you can see that I am added all the possible list here. You can pause the screen and also copy this. Now here we will type our adapter for spinner. So we write binding dot spinner dot item. We will pass the lang list as a list string. Now come to here, binding dot spinner one dot on item selected listener. Dot view on item selected listener. And we will override the methods on item selected. Okay, now here we will going to get the selected language. Like lang list what is the name here? It is P2. So we will name this P2 as position. Okay. It also implement this method and remove this to do. Now guys, like let's make another function. Fun init dist lang. Basically, whenever user choose any language, we will get the language and we will pass to this function, and this function will match our destination language. So here what we will do, we will use when block, when dist, sorry, when dist, sorry, list is dist in whatever language we ever used here in this list. We will take one by one, and if English is selected, so like that we can use English, and we will assign destination language English. Like that, if Hindi is selected, we will assign destination language Hindi code. Okay. So in this same way, I will do all the languages that are present in the list, and I will give you this language code in the description also. So guys, in the same way, I assigned for all the languages, whatever the language is, and what is its that language code. Like English for it, that is EN, and Hindi for HI, like that you can assign to. And let's come here, like on item select listener. In here, whatever the language selected now, we will call init destination language, and we will pass the selected lang. And where is the our network call? So here is the network call. So in the place of hard-coded HI, we will pass our destination language. So let me run the app and show you whether our spinner is initialized or not. So before running the app, we should call this init spinner method inside on create. Otherwise, it will not initialize. Now let's run the app. So you can see that app is running successfully. Let me check whether it is working or not. Let me type hello, and when we click the spinner, we can see whatever the language we initialized with the spinner, it has been showing. Now if I selected French language, and let's click on translate button, and let's see whether it's translating or not. So guys, it's translating and working fine.